Hi guys, I'm coming to you guys today to show you this really cool eye method liner stamp. I have not tried it out. I have been like so excited because if you know me, you know that liner is not my thing, honey. It is not my thing. This is what it looks like. This is the box that it comes in. I think it's so cute. It gives like very much girly luxury princess feels. So it basically says prep your lids, stamp it, and then you line. That sounds easy, right? Same. So just to show you guys that I haven't used this before, this is me peeling off the packaging. So you're actually getting my honest, like, you know, first impressions. Sorry if that was super loud. So this wing liner stamp is waterproof, which is like my favorite. I love matte waterproof makeup. It's just, I don't know. I just love it. I really do. Okay, so it comes with two. It also comes with this paper. I don't know what this is. What is this? Okay, so it just says, hi beautiful, thank you for purchasing. It shows their customer help. It shows where you can find videos of people using their items. It also has like a little small tutorial under here. So they do have a QR code on the back of this paper, and you can scan it and watch people use these winged liner stamps. So this is just what the packaging looks like. It's so cute. It's so luxurious and just like cute. Okay, so this is, oh, right and left. Wow, that's cool. Okay, so let me shake them up. So it comes with the winged liner stamp, and then it comes with a liner pin just to finish filling in the liner design. So we're gonna do the right first, which is perfect because I'm right-handed, so it's easier. I'm gonna get up close. I did do my makeup already just because when I do liner, I like to have my makeup already done, and I like my lashes on so that I can kind of like cover up that band line if it's showing with the liner, so it all kind of like blends together. Okay. So where's my mirror? Hold on. I'm gonna do it as close as possible, but I also need my mirror because it's just more close and, you know, personal. It says the first thing to do is kind of like set your lids, prime and set your lids, which I already did, so I don't need to do that. The second step is to stamp the liner at the edge of the eye, press down firmly, and then of course if you've done wing liner before, you'll be able to see how to put it on because it has like that, you know, that wing at the end. Wow. Wow. Can y'all really see? Look at that. It's a perfect wing. I'm sorry if I'm loud. That is a perfect wing, you guys. Look at that. So I'm going to take this part. I'm just going to kind of connect it. Look how pretty that is and how perfect, and it just adds a certain amount of like sassy fierceness to the lash. The tip on this liner is so comfortable. I've gotten really close to my eye right now and my eye has not watered or anything. I've used plenty of liners and my eye always waters up when I go right here. That was really easy. I am impressed. Look at that. That would have been like 20 minutes, no lie. So let's go ahead and try the left side now. Okay, I'll make sure I did it right. Yep, wing that way. Now watch, like really watch me. What? If you struggle, I said it again. If you struggle with liner, this is gonna be your best friend. This is so amazing, y'all. I suck at liner, like literally, like I suck at liner. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I suck at it. This is gonna make lives easier. Wow, I cannot believe that. I can't believe I just did that so quickly. I really don't impress easily when it comes to makeup, but this is so good. Like it's like it's like makeup for dummies, liner for dummies. This is liner for dummies. This made it so easy, you guys. And then like you can adjust the shape or, you know, adjust the wing height. All right, so that's it. This is the future of winged liner, like so serious. If you just want to spruce up your makeup look or your even no makeup look, this is the way to go. If you're in a rush, if you have zero to no time to get ready, this is key for you. I'm telling you, this was so easy. That's all I got for you. It's still matte. It's still in my inner corners. Usually when I put liner on my inner corners, it is gone in like 3 minutes. This is gonna replace all of my liners. I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, so still looking good. Still looking good. Look at my inner corners. Still black. Hi ladies. So for my last final review of the Eye Method Beauty Waterproof Stamp Liner, 10 out of 10 recommend. If you're always in a rush or if you're just looking for a liner that doesn't budge or move around, this is the it girl, that girl of liners. There are no cons. Honestly, I loved every bit of it. Pros, it's waterproof like it says. It doesn't budge and smudge. I've had to do this multiple times throughout the few hours that I've been wearing it, and it has not moved. All my it girls, all my that girls, all my makeup artists who just need something from one fellow growing makeup artist to another, this is it right here, baby. Thank you again to Eye Method Beauty for sending me this liner. All right, I love you guys, and thanks again for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.